As Rattlers of Florida A&M University, we were always taught to fight and win whatever the battle may be.
As an HBCU grad, it's important to me to be a leader for the voiceless.
Our voices are so important, and we need to make sure that we go out there and exercise that right.
Year 2020 has given me a better understanding of voter suppression and what our ancestors had to go through in order for us to get to this point.
Hello, my fellow Tigers at Jackson State University. You know what time of the year it is. Let's get out and vote.
Early voting is started. Let your voice be heard. Go vote.
Vote October 13th through 30th and November 3rd. Our democracy depends on it. Vote.
Vote because not voting is a vote for the wrong candidate. It's my civic duty to vote.
All Americans, all HBCU grads, and definitely all Xavier rights to go vote.
You have the power to decide the quality of life that you want for yourself and future generations. This is your life.
Your voice is your vote, and your vote is your voice. Make sure you vote. Go Tigers!
Vote like your life depends on it.